Hey guys, Megan here, and today I'm going to show you how to recover deleted photos from your iPhone. To begin with, we're going to open the Photos app. Once we're in Photos, we are going to go to Albums, and then we are going to scroll all the way down to our recently deleted album. Once we find that album, we're going to tap on it to open it up. And now we can see our photos that have been deleted. So we're going to tap on Select. And now you have the option to recover all of your photos, or if you don't want to recover all of your deleted photos, you can just tap on the ones that you do want to recover. And then you can tap on Recover. And then recover one more time. And there you go. Your photos have now been recovered and moved back to the album. So that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about what I've done, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.